Alright guys, this is the new, I'm gonna reuse, this is existing original, just redid it. I got it through here. So, in the state of Massachusetts, and I think in every state, you need the anti-tip bracket. So make sure you install the anti-tip bracket always. That's very important, guys. And get the flexi. I'm gonna connect to the gas right here. To the gas, to the stove. Connect the gas to the stove. Right? Got some pipe dope on that. Turn it on. And I usually like to put a little bit of pipe dope here on the face of this. Connect it. Alright guys,